Oh yeah. You see that? Gator country. Good morning, guys. Anthony here, and today we're in Florida. So today we have some pretty interesting stuff going on. Someone told me of this thing where we can canoe. I thought, oh, that's awesome. Let's go canoeing with gators. I'm like, why would you canoe with gators? That doesn't make any sense. But the people I was talking to was a dad and a daughter. I'm like, wait, man, you were able to do that? And they're like, yeah, the alligators are fine, they're docile and whatnot. I'm like, docile alligators. I don't know about that. I don't know. So today we're up at the brink of dawn. The sun's almost down anyways. I gotta say, I'm pretty scared, but I'm all about conquering your fears and challenging yourself. And everyone seems to do it. They're like, hey, yeah, we get a ton of people to go and do canoeing.
Just wanted to explain real quick that I'm not saying by any means to fall under peer pressure. Just wanted to point that out there. Thanks, guys.
With gators. With that entailed, we're gonna do that today. We'll bring it to you here shortly. But first, we need something. Without further ado, I'm gonna go back, get changed because I'm in this right now. I need something that is more like alligator appropriate, you know? Crocodile hunter, Crocodile Dundee. We're gonna get changed, wait for my Lyft driver, head over to the gator spot. Bye. Thank you. All right, guys, that was Dorothy. She was awesome. Like one of the coolest Lyft drivers I've ever had. So thank you. If you watch this, you were awesome. Thank you. So we were waiting there and Dorothy, we were talking and she asked about the acrobatic stuff that I do. So I showed her some things and she really liked the sear wheel. So I promise that in the soon coming videos, I'll get some footage of the sear wheel and put it up. All right, so we're here. See a gator. 1 second. Check out that gator. Okay, that's actually a stick, so I'm just kidding with you guys. Alright. I would like to eventually try to get you guys a little closer to a gator, but as close as I can without getting eaten, because obviously I don't want to get eaten. Just touched something in the water, and I hope it was a log. Not a gator. Okay, so now we're getting ready to head back out in the water. There's a few things I'm hearing over here. It's not like ruffles in the water. It sounds like there's something swimming pretty big. That's always fun. But I mean, I passed up so many gators, so it shouldn't be a big deal. Still a little intimidating though. So we're gonna keep on going downstream. I'm trying to think if there's anything else I need to say. Lizard. Nobody scared me. Oh, So be it. Moving on. Ooh, butterfly. Woo-hoo-hoo! We made it through, and we're in one piece. We're coming up on a big gator. 1 second. Please do not bite me. I'd really appreciate it. Oh gosh. Thank you. I appreciate it. Dude, I see you. This guy. By the way, nice tan lines. See you later, alligators. I feel like such a little kid, but that's okay. All right, we're back. Woo! Oh man, it is great to be off the water. It was so much fun, but I'm tired. Man, when you're paddling for 4+ hours, that's a lot. Well, unfortunately, we didn't get to see George. I was kind of bummed out about that, but we did see his younger brother, Jeff. Jeff was out there. He was really nice. He didn't eat me, so I'm really thankful for that. Thanks a lot, Jeff, for just sticking your ground, just leaving me alone, and not taking a bite. Not good for me, and it probably would be good for you too. Bad indigestion, probably wouldn't be good, so no worries there, bud. But on a serious note, like, the alligators are actually really cool. Pretty sure what they say is accurate when they are more scared of you than you are of them. They came up and they saw me, they would just go underwater or go off a log and just try to avoid me as much as possible. So guys, you know what to do. If you like this video, please hit that like button, smash it if you're into that. And also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing to the channel. Anthony here, I'm heading out. I'll see you on the next adventure.